I don't care what anyone says, no one's got a thing on Apple when it comes to AirDrop. So here's my Samsung Note 10 Plus, and as you can see, I'm on the nearby share settings. You can see my device name and the device visibility is available to anyone. So I'll bring in my other phone here and I've got a photo I want to share. If I go in share and select nearby share, it just takes ages to find any device, and after a long wait it actually does not manage to find a device, so it doesn't work properly. Just so I try this again. Here's my wife's phone now, and my other phone I've tried it on is on the left. Same thing here. Device visibility is also on to all devices, and I try it again, just does not work. Let's contrast that with Apple. I've got a photo here and I've got my AirDrop on my phone and on my Mac. Immediately finds my Mac. If I select that, you can see it does give me a little bit of a wait. This is kind of fast forwarded, but within about 5 to 6 seconds it finds it, it sends it, and the MacBook receives it. As you can see right there, works like a charm. So make sure you let me know in the comments about your experiences with AirDrop and with Nearby Share. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.